Good morning, children. This is your social studies class. As in the previous video, you have learnt about weather and climate. Today, we will discuss about how factors influence the climate of a place. Children, there are 6 factors. They are: first, distance from the equator. Second, height of the place above sea level, that is altitude. Third, distance from the sea. Fourth, winds. Fifth, humidity. And sixth, ocean currents. Now, let us take one by one the factors that influence the climate of a place. Today, we will discuss about distance from the equator. The earth gets heated by the rays of the sun falling on it. The rays of the sun are vertical at the equator and slanting at the poles, near the North Pole and near the South Pole. Different parts of the world receive different amount of heat from the sun. Depending on the amount of heat received, there are 3 climatic or heat zones of the earth. They are: first, Torrid Zone; second, Temperate Zone; third, Frigid Zone. Now, let's learn about these zones one by one. First, Torrid Zone. This zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Children, the word torrid means extremely hot. As it lies near the equator, this zone receives maximum heat. The climate of this zone is hot and humid throughout the year. Hence, you can see in this figure, it is marked with red color. Here is Torrid Zone. Second, Temperate Zone. The areas that lie between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere and between the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere are called as the temperate zones. This region has a moderate climate, which means neither very hot nor very cold. Now, let us see what is a frigid zone. The areas that lie between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole in the northern hemisphere and between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole in the southern hemisphere are called the frigid zones. This zone receives very little heat from the sun. So, this region is very cold and is covered with snow throughout the year. Hope you are clear with the different heat zones of the earth. Now, you must be wondering, our country lies in which heat zone? Children, India lies in 2 heat zones, as the Tropic of Cancer passes through the central India. So, the northern part of our country lies in the temperate zone and the southern part of our country lies in the tropical zone. That's all for today. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.